Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you how to edit and upload YouTube thumbnail using mobile phone. First, we need to edit the photo that we'll be using as thumbnail. So dito, ang gamit kong pang-edit is picsart. Choose freestyle sa pag-edit and pili lang tayo ng photo na gusto nating ilagay sa ating thumbnail. Next, we need to edit the layout and select 16:9 ratio. Here, we can also edit the background. Remember that our goal here is to make a thumbnail na catchy so that we can attract the attention of our viewers. Ngayon naman, I will edit my photo gamit ang cutout to remove the background. We can also add text para mas madaling makita ng viewers kung tungkol saan yung ating video. Choose the font style you want, and when you're done editing, don't forget to save your work. So after natin mag-edit sa picsart, now I will show you how to upload your thumbnail using your mobile phone. Meron two ways para gawin ito. First is by using the YouTube Studio app. Gamit ang YouTube Studio, go to your videos and select the video na gusto mong mag-upload ng thumbnail. Now, i-click ang edit button and your screen will look like this. I-click lang ulit yung edit button and now, pwede ka na mag-upload ng iyong thumbnail. Now, I will show you how to upload your thumbnail using internet browser. First, go to www.youtube.com and syempre dapat nakalagin din yung account natin sa YouTube. Next, kailangan nating i-check ang settings ng ating browser sa desktop site. And now, go to your account and select YouTube Studio. Go to your videos and choose a video that you want to upload a thumbnail. Upon selecting the video, you can now see the edit button. Your screen will look like this and you can now upload your YouTube thumbnail. Don't forget to save your work and now you have a thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Thank you for watching! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!